Am I good to go down? Am I good to go? Can I reach up and get it? Oh, get it?
It's clear, get it. We got you covered.
Woo! He's in the forest over here. I think he headed right. Yeah, I'm about to ditch my rifle. All right. Don't go across the bridge, just go through the trench. He's over here on to the right in these trees. All right. You can probably punch through. Repeat this in the brush. That's flashy real bad. In the brush, straight or along this.
I hit him in the building there.
Okay, there's another here.
We want to take it through this building?
I don't want to cross. Hold on.
Oh, I got it. Luke, watch behind you. You got covered fire. Watch that right. Or left side. I'm fucking backwards.
Yeah, this guy's gonna peg me if I run across. If you peek it just for a second. He thinks we don't see him. You shoot at him. Okay, I got the kid.
Stay back, stay back.
Yeah. That's what it is.
Luke, can you get that fucker?
I'm gonna do a quick peek.
He's straight from us.
No, he can't jam from there. You can probably jam if you go low.
I'm gonna get low behind this pipe.
Alright. I'll try to just fire a few shots. Ready?
I'm coming behind you. Ready?
Right. Yeah. Go. 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 Alright.
Working on it. Ow, that's a thorn. Wes, you up?
I got it. There's one that way. What do we got over here? Alright. There's one here. Feed it. He's straight. No, he's not. He's not in there. He's on that little, very skinny tree up there. You see him? Good shit. Can I get that red building? Alright.
Oh, we gotta worry about that sniper over here.
Yeah. Alright.
I can't move up any closer.
I'm going.